Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to make an offer on Wallapop. So let's get started. At first we need to get into this website, that is wallapop.com, and make sure you are logged into it. We can add some offers while uploading or selling something. So let's get into upload. Now you can choose the product you would like to upload or share about. So let's go for this one, and here we can see the basic informations, and we can add all of the details about our product here, including price, currency and other as well. Now in most of the cases we'll be able to find counter offer option, but we do not see such option here. So in that case, here we can see this description option. We can add description writing offer, and we can write the details of our offer here. So this is all we can do to make an offer on Wallapop. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.